Hi guys, this is Cash, and yesterday in the night me and Preeti were watching my first video that I uploaded like way back when I was a kid, and then I just realized the level of confidence of mine has gone from, I don't know, more than this to literally touching my toes.
What are you talking about?
We need to work on this, and the first thing I had to make sure was be in front of you guys, and my hands are sweaty as fuck. The AC is on, but still, you know, the door is also on. It's not supposed to be on, but it's on. So yeah, भाई सच बताए तो इंग्लिश जम नहीं रहा है. भाई सच बताए तो चैनल इसलिए बनाया था ताकि हम अपना आर्ट को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करें, you know. I'm so sorry, I'm just kind of very much nervous and sweaty. Everything is just sweaty as fuck. But what I'm trying to say is I'm just here to build up my confidence. Maybe I'm talking very fast, I got to go a little slow. So this channel is going to be a slow channel. I'm not here to fight with anyone, so please don't push me if, like, in future if the channel is doing good, please don't push me to go against other artists or fukad ka Okay, yeah, we're gonna start it again. भाई इंग्लिश में नहीं जमता है. सच बता दो, इंग्लिश में कुछ नहीं जम रहा है मेरे को. इंडियन हूँ, हमारा आर्ट कोई देखता नहीं है. It's just the saddest thing that, you know, like since childhood I was into comics and you know, भाई हमारे टाइम पे बैटमैन था, जो भी था. अब आयरन मैन आ गया, and then now people are into anime and things like that. But for me, and you know, I'm 95 born, so the world is rushing so fast, and I'm like, oh god. एक रुपया कमाया नहीं है अब तक. इतना अच्छा ड्राइंग बना लेते हैं यार, फिर भी साला कोई देखता नहीं आगे. And I'm like, ऐसा नहीं है कि घर से नहीं देखते.
Maybe it was not like, you know, like my parents were a science student to drop out too, so
they don't know yet, but someday, not now. But you got the point, right? Like, that's what I'm trying to say is, it's just my first video, so just deal with me, man. I'm just trying to build up my confidence. My accents are big time. Oh god, now it's getting hot here. It's supposed to be winter. Like in the night it is so chilly, and in the day the outside temperature is hot. I do have the AC, but this shit is also, I guess, not working. Whatever. Okay, so ज़्यादा नहीं, बस हो गया. इससे ज़्यादा नहीं पकाना है मेरे को. I'll just give you, you know, like a review studio. It's not a, you know, like, भाई पैसा नहीं है, समझो मेरे को समझो. मेरे पास 1 रुपया नहीं है, तो जो भी है उसी में है, उसी से चला रहे हैं हम. जैसा है वैसा है. पर ड्राइंग काफी अच्छा बना देते हैं यार. इतना I can like give you confirmation. I'll just show you my studio, and I'm so sorry that I'm just saying anything, and it's not super nice. The room is also not super nice, okay? So I'm just gonna, I guess, go ahead and tilt the camera so that you guys can see some of the photos. I didn't put all, but some, okay? अब देखो, इधर से शुरुआत होता है. ये देखो कितने अच्छे मुंडे को बनाया मैंने. I'm so sorry. Okay, so you guys must be knowing Jacob Heraldi. I don't know how to spell his name. He is from this Euphoria. Something like that. Oh, this. I wanted to show you all this so long, and this was like one of the, you know, hard work pieces I've done ever in my life. I guess this I did in 20. I don't know when did the movie come. So yeah, whatever. Okay, so this is one of the comics I'm working on. I cannot disclose what is the word, whatever. I cannot let anyone know about this right now, but here we are. That's our Nina. So, भाई इस पे हम काम कर रहे हैं. अब बता दे तो इसका कॉमिक बनाना है. So it's more like, you know, some of the renders of Nina. Yeah, I'm so sorry, I just hit the camera. So yeah. Okay. So yeah, this is. I'm also the printer guy who was supposed to give me the prints. Okay, let me just go ahead and I'll just show you my bag. It is so bad. Like, I was like, I'll be embarrassed, but I'm like, either way, you're going to see. Okay, wait, gosh. These are my two little babies. They are growing. Like, when I got them, they were very, very like, maybe almost 1 centimeter, and now that guy is grown too long. Yeah. So this is again Nina, and I showed you all this. This is one of my favorite characters, and I don't know, I'll be letting y'all know on her more right now. But yeah, I guess you guys had a look at my. It's not that good, but it is
something than nothing, right?
And I just don't have anything more to say. It's just that YouTube wants me to do a 15 minutes video, and that's the reason I am like just saying. It's just y'all, and yeah, so that I can just go live and start rendering. So I just started this, and I
just hope that one day we can do something. And
one more thing. If you want to get out, you can get out. Yeah. Whatever it is. Either ways, if you like the video, please give it. I'm just tired. I was so excited in the beginning when I started the video, and right now I'm like full tired. That's life.
Yes.
That's how life is. Okay. Yeah. So I'm just gonna close the video. I'll just give you all an update. I just want the YouTube to start my live streaming so I can go with the perspectives thing. Like, I was sketching. I did get a comment from I don't remember, but it was a comment, and I was so excited that I was like, even you're not a good teacher, even when you didn't learn anything, you do know to do something. So I'm like, yeah, we can go ahead, and I'm not here to teach anyone anything, but these are some of the perspective stuff I was practicing yesterday night. Like, night time is the night. Whew. Nighttime is the most active time for me. Yeah, that's what I was so happy. I was so happy that I was able to draw a jeep, in perspective. And I was like, I mean, I know people say perspective is tough and all, but I really enjoyed it. Please don't look the figure down, it's so bad. But this is something I did. And I'm very happy that I was able to create this car or jeep, I don't know, whatever, with the help of the lines and the exact thing that I wanted in perspective. And again, one of the buildings. These are just some of the things that I'm practicing so that I can be good with Nina's comic. And I have started working on her expressions, and like I showed you all. And I guess the other person, the other character is gonna be with her.
Wow!
What English हो रहा है? Some whatever it is. So I don't even know if, I guess I'll have to tilt the camera that side, because most of the time I'm looking there and I'm supposed to look here.
Uh-oh.
And I'm so sorry that it's not happening. I'm not used to camera, and I'm gonna keep apologizing for no reason. And that's my cat. Baby, niche chal.
I love you, mommy.
Go down. So I hope you all liked it. So yeah, you all just go ahead and read my comics.
Yes.
भाई मेहनत कर रहा हूँ, and I'm giving my everything. There's nothing like up. I have nothing to lose, so this is it. Whatever it is, this is it. And I'm sweating as fuck and going down. Okay, no wonder. Bye bye. See you later.